Hey guys, welcome to episode 16 with me. So आज का plan ये है that I'm not gonna go to the gym. After a long time I'm taking a break because I'm really tired with the routine. And आज a friend is going to come over and then I'm gonna head out with her for lunch. तो not really sure किधर जाएंगे, but we might try Indian cuisine because हर बार I've tried like Thai or seafood or something different with her. So I thought today let's just go to a normal Indian restaurant and check वहाँ क्या होता है, क्या मिलता है. I mean, हर बार तो इंडियन ही खाते हैं, बट उसके साथ मैं यूजुअली नहीं खाती हूँ इंडियन. आई ओनली ट्राई लाइक डिफरेंट cuisines with her. She's like the foodie person who loves trying different cuisines. So I'm just waiting for her before I head out. So my foodie friend has arrived and here she is. And we have planned to go to Punjab Grill again. So you guys have seen 2 vlogs I think of Punjab Grill. So this is the third time we're going to Punjab Grill in 15 days. Let's go. We are just reaching Punjab Grill.
Can I have one basil salmon tikka? Then we'll get machli ka hara salad and rice, saffron rice, and pudina lacha paratha. That's a tikka.
Yeah. Any things?
Out of everything, you want to talk about school?
Yeah, because I think that's the only thing in which we were together.
Yeah.
And in which people were like very shit.
You don't accept it. I know a lot of people are shit to you.
Yeah.
Regret it.
You
but
can
yeah.
debate about it, it's okay.
I mean, for that I have to think back. My God, Italy was a nice trip for me, and I know it was not a nice trip for you.
For me, it was not a nice trip because of you. Close friends, but yeah, they were like okay. Friends.
Yeah.
But they're not my type.
At that time, I don't know why. I guess you were not like.
I was crying.
Yeah, you were crying.
A lot of times I was crying.
I'm just
calling my parents.
Yeah, I'm just thinking like, why you were not like? Why did I decide to like ditch you so much?
I know why you did. At one specific time when I went to the washroom for shower, I didn't close the door when I was showering.
Really?
So the water came outside like in the sink area down.
I don't remember all this, dude. Wait,
Oh
I
my
was
God.
that?
Yeah, and that's when you like took your bags. I'm going from here.
Damn shit.
Me
I
calling
think
my
you were,
parents.
you were calling your parents a lot of times. I'm like,
Yeah.
oh my God.
Because I had never been away from them.
Yeah.
It was my first time.
Yeah. For me being away from my parents were kind of like oh my God, now it's like my freedom, so I wanted to enjoy.
That's
And
because you have a sibling. So you don't understand that.
But yeah, as a child who does not have
Alone.
any siblings,
Yeah, and your parents are
like your
always-
parents are the only one who are like.
And the thing is, they always like kept me
Yeah,
enclosed.
exactly, yeah,
So
yeah,
how do I?
Yeah, exactly.
The only thing I think what changed me was like uni, which they regret a lot.
But my food reviews are the best. Like 3 different types of sauces in it. It's good.
How much would you rate it?
8 out of 10. It's crunchy.
So we are first trying the salmon basil tikka. There's no taste of basil, honestly. It's just like grilled. Don't you think?
Yeah, basil taste is not that strong. It's very
It's just like tikka, like a green tikka, and basil salmon tikka. And I would rate it around
6 out of 10.
3 on 10.
You're too critical.
We are done with the lunch at Punjab Grill, and Naima is so disappointed.
I'm so disappointed. Like, I had a lot of high expectations on this, and I would rate it like a 6. No, 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10.
You would reduce it further.
Yeah, it was not that great. Like, it was so normal. Like, for Punjab. I mean,
Did you hear about Punjab Grill before, or was this the first time?
I feel like I remember someone saying something like that, but no, this is my first time actually.
Okay. I had it like on day 3 or something, and today's day 16, and I had it again, and the taste is not the same, and I'm also very disappointed with the taste. I didn't like it today at all.
Yeah, you had rated like.
9. I rated it 9, and today I'm rating it like 3 or 4. That's
I
it.
mean, yeah, it has to be consistent, right, for it to be like a good restaurant. But I don't
Maybe
know
the
what
chef
happened
changed or something.
today. Within the span of few days down.
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, but it was so bad. I mean, yeah. No, I'm not coming again.
तो अभी हमारा खाना हो चुका है, और नाइमा कुछ शब्द हिंदी में बोलो
क्या बोलूं?
कि हमारा खाना हो चुका है, हम कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं, क्या करेंगे अभी.
मुझे नहीं पता अब क्या करना है.
नाइमा, आई थिंक तेरे एक्सेंट के और हमें वीडियोस चाहिए.
Hi guys, I just took over Flavia's vlog. So
I have an issue with Flavia because she keeps on saying Mallu for every South Indian state. It's pissing off, okay? For example, if one of our friends is like from Tamil Nadu, she says, oh, she had like a Mallu wedding. What do you mean? Bro, she's Tamilian. It's different. Not all South Indians. Malayalam. What do you have to say about that?
Bro, all Mallus, Tamil
No.
Nadus, all are same.
You have problem with South Indians.
I do.
Okay, that's fine. You can have a problem with South Indians. But you can't say all South Indians are Mallu.
They are Mallu.
No! There's Malayalis, Tamilians, Telugu people. Then what?
That's it, yeah. So just consider yourself South.
No, Konkan.
No, that's not Mallu.
Okay, Konkan is Goa.
Yeah.
But in Karnataka also there are a lot of people who speak Konkan. Kannada.
Yeah.
Four.
Yeah, but all
Four are different. It's not
similar.
same.
It's
No,
similar, yeah.
it's
The
not.
language is similar.
No.
You all sound the same.
If it was similar, I would know Kannada, Telugu and Tamil.
Why do all South Indian movies come in all different languages? Because they all are
Dude,
South Indian and all are Mallus.
Even North India has so many languages, dude. It's not just Hindi. There's Bhojpuri, Marathi. Then what?
To explore at Grandiose what is available to eat. I just see chicken, I see some grilled fish, doesn't look appetizing at all. Have this options in which you can like grill the khana and they'll give it to you. And there are a lot of options, but it's all non-vegetarian, no vegetarian and no pescatarian. I have a counter especially dedicated for sushi and they have a lot of options which usually is not there in places like these, but the options look really good. I'm not a sushi fan, otherwise I would have tried it, honestly. So that we can dine in here. They have different types of honey, then they've got premium cheese as well, and there's parmesan, different types with aging of 14 to 16 months, then Gran Padano, 10 to 12 months of age. The supermarket is quite big and it has a lot of variety and a lot of unique things which we usually do not find in normal supermarkets. Like they have a keto cola here. They have a lot of sugar-free things, no added sugar. It's not sugar-free obviously. They have fruit shots. Also have a non-alcoholic beer section for people who are like addicted to it. They even have like a flower section here. And they have a car rental section as well, which is really unique for something like this to be in a supermarket. Like all of this under one roof, it's something I've not seen anywhere. Even they have the Forever Roses, all in one supermarket. So I've ordered the truffle pizza from Grandiose now. I'm gonna try and see how this tastes. Let's check it out. It looks very normal and it's thin crust, but let's see the taste. Loved it. It was amazing. It was like 8 on 10. I had almost more than half of the pizza. It was so good. And now I'm at Cornish, gonna go for a walk before I head back home. Bye.